Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, it's the end of March almost, and it's time to get my tomato seeds in the ground. Of course, not out there, but inside. I'm agricultural zone 2B, so these won't be planted outside until after June 1st. And I'm doing a tomato challenge 2025, and it is for the heaviest tomato. And so I have picked my tomato, and it is a Ponderosa Pink, and it is a 4 to 5 foot tall plant that, well, it will grow a 1 to 2 pound tomato in 80 days after transplanting. So that means if my last frost date is June 1st, 80 days from then, not 80 days from when I'm planting them here. And I've got my 2 cups there that I'm going to fill, and let's get started. I've got the soil in my 2 solo cups, Ponderosa Pink 1 and Ponderosa Pink 2. And again, this is the Tomato Challenge 2025. I've got my seeds opened up. You can see it's Tomato Pea Pink, which is Ponderosa Pink. And we're gonna pick out the nicest seeds here. And like, what a lot of seeds. 75, I think there is. And we're just going to put 1 seed in each one. Oh, I like that guy right there. And there we go. And we're just going to cover them up with 1/4 of an inch of soil. And yeah, I'm sort of intrigued as to what these tomatoes are going to be like. They're it's intriguing, very intriguing. They say that they're going to grow 4 to 5 feet tall, so of course you're going to have to stake them. They're meaty and almost seedless, which is okay. And they're heirloom and they're indeterminate, so perfect. So let's give this a try.